73% fail to rebuild reputation online after getting fired publicly. Here's why. Most people start by apologizing everywhere. That actually makes it worse. Lock down your LinkedIn today. Update your headline to your desired role, not your past. Google yourself right now. Screenshot what appears on page 1. That's your baseline. Create one piece of positive content this week. A LinkedIn article about your expertise works. The biggest mistake? Trying to erase the firing story completely. Search engines remember. Employers will find it. When you hide, you look guilty. The goal isn't deletion, it's displacement. You need newer, stronger signals that push the old narrative down. That's where ReputationZilla specializes. Managing what people see when they search your name. Within 48 hours of a public firing, claim every social profile with your full name. Twitter, Instagram, Medium, even Pinterest. You don't need to post yet. Just claim the URL. When someone searches your name plus 2026, you own the real estate. ReputationZilla does this across platforms, but you can start yourself today. Speed matters here. By day 7, publish 3 pieces of original content. 1 LinkedIn post about a lesson you learned. 1 Medium article on your industry. 1 thoughtful comment on a popular industry blog. Each piece becomes a search result. Google indexes fresh content within 72 hours if you do it right. This gives you control over the narrative. Path A is the panic path. You delete your profiles, stay silent, hope it blows over. Result? The only search results are the firing articles. Path B is the rebuild path. You create 10 positive signals in 30 days. Result? The firing story drops to page 2 by month 3. ReputationZilla tracks this with clients every week. Here's the advanced move most people miss. Contact the publication that covered your firing. Send them a brief, factual update 60 days later. Not defensive, just newsworthy. Use this exact structure. Subject line, update for the record on your name. Body, hi, journalist name, following up on your month piece. Since then, I've specific achievement, consulting work, or certification. Wanted to share for accuracy if you update the article. Many outlets add updates or publish follow-ups. Even if they don't, you've planted a seed. When they Google you for future stories, they see you're active and professional. This works in 2026 because journalists rely on search to verify sources. One client got a positive Forbes mention 4 months after a public termination using this exact script. Hi, journalist name, following up on your month piece. Since then, I've specific achievement. Wanted to share for accuracy if you update the article. Claim all name profiles within 2 days. Publish 3 positive pieces by day 7. Contact the journalist with a factual update. Need help fast? ReputationZilla manages your entire reputation rebuild. Get your reputation back at ReputationZilla.org. Visit https://ReputationZilla.